Another day, and I wish I had another dollar. This gives me an idea. I've always wanted to try this. So far so good. Let's have some fun. Here goes. Woohoo! Attack! Ah! Ouch! Hey! Watch where you're going.
Are you okay?
Santa?
Oh, yeah. Do you want to come back to the North Pole? You can be Mrs. Claus's gift. I just need to check in my sack.
I'm a big fan of your work.
There's room. Get in there.
This is so exciting!
Okay, let's go. Wow, you're heavy.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. You're so pretty, Dolly. But I'm so bored. There must be something fun I can do. I know. I can work on my magic tricks. I'm about to blow your mind. Just hold on. Pretty cool, huh? You ain't seen anything yet. Just keep watching. Was that your card? It's okay. You can be amazed. Now what can I do? Oh, hey!
Hi, Julie. Another busy night for Santa.
Santa, come over here. I want to show you something. Check out my dolly. She's so beautiful, isn't she?
Julie, I'm sorry, but I need to go.
I'm sorry, Santa. We never hang out.
Maybe I have something for you. Would you like these gifts? How about this cuddly little guy?
He's cute. No.
I know you're gonna like this.
A sparkly box? Ooh, mysterious. Still no.
Wow, tough crowd. There must be something I can do to cheer you up. Wait, I've got it. Wait right there. Where did I put it? This is what I'm looking for. Time for a little Christmas magic. You're going to love this. Whoa! I knew you'd like it.
She looks just like me. This is crazy. But in a good way. Hi, I'm Julie. Hello, Julie. No way! Oh my gosh, there's so many possibilities. Come over here. What should we do first? Can you do this? I could do this all day! Please don't. It's annoying. I'm starting to get dizzy. Let's try something else. It's like looking in a mirror. Do you always know what I'm gonna do? No one has moves like these. Except me. Woohoo! That was fun! Let's relax. I have an idea.
What is going on? Come on, this isn't fair. Santa's had a tough night. He doesn't need this. This looks yummy. Smell that delicious chicken. You can have it.
Chicken.
Works every time. I'll leave this right here.
Why would you do that? You belong on the naughty list. I must have it! It smells amazing. I can't believe it's Christmas Day. Today's a special day. I want to look my best. My clothes are looking fresh. They're not getting any better. I better do my makeup. This won't take long. I'll start with some lipstick. I want kissable lips. You never know who I'm gonna meet under the mistletoe. I love this shade!
Well, I'm going to work. Hold up. What's going on here?
What is it? Well, there's a boy.
Sup, girl?
He's so dreamy.
Hang on. Oh, hey. You've, got something on your face. I'm gonna go. Oh no, we can't have that. You're coming with me. Don't worry, Santa will take care of everything.
What are you talking about?
Trust me. Let's get rid of those glasses.
Great. Now everything's blurry.
It'll be okay.
Hey, what's going on?
Relax. Lie down.
Is it raining money?
I've always wanted to do this.
I'm not complaining.
Gold really works on pimples.
Right. I'm sure that's a thing.
And these will get rid of those puffy eyes.
I'm starting to get a complex.
What do we have here? Wow, it's so greasy. Stay still. I'm trying to create a masterpiece. That's more like it. I'm a genius. How can one man be so talented? Ugh, I hope no one notices.
Huh?
You look fabulous. And now we need a little rouge. Wow, you look amazing. It's a Christmas miracle.
Really? Thanks so much, Santa.
Oh, I almost forgot. Hey, Elf, get over here.
I have a name, you know. Here you go, lady. Everyone needs a little bling in their life. It's a bit of a tight fit. And we can't forget about the tiara.
I feel like a princess.
Thanks for your help. I think you're ready.
I feel so glamorous. I've never worn anything like this. I don't even know if I can walk in heels. Who cares?
Whoa! Ooh, that had to hurt. But it was funny.
It sure was.
It's so cold out there. I'm glad I'm all cozy in front of the TV.
Sha-la-la-la-la.
What a voice.
Ooh-wee! Thank you. You've been a wonderful audience.
Is he talking to me?
Hey, cutie. What do you think of these poses?
They're perfect. Just like you. I wish I was famous. It would be the best Christmas ever.
Hi, Julie. Want to see something cool? Check this out.
Magic dust? I've seen it before.
Here you go. You'll like it. Take it.
Okay. Let's see what happens.
Whoa! Look at all this money!
Gee, thanks. It's, great.
I'm not convinced. Wait a minute. I get it. Let's see what Santa can do.
Huh? Oh, wow! That is so adorable!
It really is.
Special delivery.
He warms the coldest heart.
This is for you.
Thanks!
Write down your Christmas wish.
Okay, if you say so.
Good choice.
I would be a superstar and meet Leo. Wait! Where am I? Oh wow! This is awesome! Make sure you get my good side!
Hey, I know her!
You really love me!
She's a natural.
We did it, little buddy.
It's TV time! You'll like this show, Huggy. See? I told you. It's so funny. What do you think? I could watch this all day.
What's Julie doing? Aw, look at her. She's having a great time.
So refreshing. Would you like a drink, Huggy? Not too much. It's good, huh? I'm having the best day. I can't resist it. Mwah! It's time for bed, Huggy. We need our beauty sleep. I'll be dreaming of you. Mwah! Good night.
Hi, Julie. What's going on? It's getting late.
Oh, I know, Santa. I'm just so excited.
Well, it's time to go to sleep.
There you go, Huggy. You can sit right there.
Let's get you nice and cozy.
I've got this. That's better.
Sweet dreams. Sleeping like a baby.
Huggy? Phew, you're still here.
She really likes that blue thing. That gives me an idea. It's time to get to work.
You complete me, Huggy. Never leave me.
Huh? What's this? Ah! Ah! What's going on? Wait a minute.
It's me, Huggy Wuggy.
This can't be real. I must be dreaming.
It's real, and I'm here.
I'm so happy. I can't believe it.
Hold on. It's me! Surprise! Didn't expect that, huh?
Oh, yeah, it's the thought that counts. Thanks, Santa. Let's put the mask back on. That's more like it. Something's not right. Let's tuck this beard in. Much better. And don't talk. Come here, Huggy. Living with Santa would be pretty cool. Think of all the toys you could have. But you'd have to behave yourself. No one wants to be on the naughty list. What's top of your Christmas list? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.